Hello everyone and welcome to B-FortyOne Training videos. Today is the first in a series of training videos and we're going to talk about using Power Automate to break permissions inheritance to files uploaded to SharePoint Online. So only the person that's uploaded the file and anyone in the owners group to the document library can view and edit that file. So here we have a practice document library which has been logged onto by an account called GA1, who is the owner of this document library. So the first thing we're going to do is upload a couple of files as this user into this document library. So we'll pick the first two files here and copy them into the document library. And once they're there, let's quickly check what permissions these files currently have before the Power Automate workflow runs. So as you can see, GA1 is the owner. Anyone in the practice library owners group or visitors or members or any of these users and groups have permissions to view these files in some capacity. So what we're trying to, the aim of this exercise is anyone in the practice library members group should not have access to any files that they have not uploaded themselves. So let's go ahead and show you how we achieve that using Power Automate. Now let's go into the Power Automate portal and create our flow. So the type of flow we want to create is an automated cloud flow, and we'll name it Private Docs. And the trigger for this workflow to initiate is when a file is created in a folder. The first thing we want to do is populate the site address and the folder ID and the documents folder we're going to be working in. We'll click on New Step. Now we want to get the file properties. Again, we'll populate these two fields. And the rest of it can stay with the default settings, and we'll hit New Step. We want to get the output from the get files and apply it to the next two steps. So we'll search for apply to each. And what we're looking for here is value. And we'll add the action. First thing we want to do is stop sharing the file that's just been uploaded. And in essence, this step is what breaks inheritance. Again, we'll pick documents. And this time we want to put the unique identifier for each file that's uploaded. And that will stop sharing, so only the owners group will have access at that point. But now we want to grant access to the person that uploaded the file, and we want to identify them by their email address. Again, let's select the unique identifier, and the recipient who created the file, we want to identify them by their email, and we'll give them edit rights, and we'll go ahead and save the file. Once the workflow has been saved, we can go to My Flows and we can see there's a flow here that we created called Private Docs, and we can go ahead and start testing the workflow. Okay, let's go ahead and test the Power Automate workflow we've just created. And as you can see, I've logged into the document library with an account, which is in the members group for the document library. And at the moment, I can see both files uploaded by GA1. So let's trigger the workflow by uploading a file. So the Power Automate workflow should run in the next minute or minute and a half. And what we're expecting to see is these two files uploaded by GA1 will disappear from view. And the only file I'll be able to see logged in with this particular account is the one at the top there, employee Jane. So we'll just wait for the Power Automate workflow to run. Okay, as you can see, the Power Automate workflow has ran, and I can now only see the file that I uploaded. If we go to the GA1 view, GA1 can see all the files. Let's look at permissions. I'm going to manage access for the file that Hardeep uploaded. And as you can see, the owners group the owner and Hardeep have got permissions to view and edit, and nobody else has. And if we look at one of the other files that GA1 uploaded, Hardeep is not in the list, and only GA1 and the owners groups have access to view and edit those files. So I hope you found that useful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos and get notified when I create them. And thank you for watching the first in the series of these B-FortyOne training videos, and we hope to see you soon. Bye bye.